I got them. Come on, you can transfer. I got these two bad boys. One right here. One right here. So, what should I open first? Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got Max D, so this one has Max D. I don't want this for a day. It was supposed to come on Tuesday, and then they changed it to Monday. But now it's Saturday, so that's crazy. Here it is. Got Max D. Max D. It came with a race car or a Hot Wheels car. I can't get it out, chat. It's hard. Take this thing out. Oh, got it out. Now, let's open this one. So, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get the keys.
Statistics data from officials there on the ground to indicate how many arrests have been made. We don't know.
Oh, the keys. Let's open it, bad boy. Just get right into it. Okay, start from right here. But never mind. Keys can't. I'm good. Sorry, I did not see that. Check. Oh! This is my dream of this. I'm about to open it. Yeah. Oh, what is this down there? It's just out there. That shows the exclusive Max D. It comes with dirt tires. I had one, but I lost the pieces to one of the playsets. Right here. That's so hard to open. Yeah. Hard. Be right back. Okay, guys. My mom helped me with opening this, so. Ooh, it comes in the Max D. Yeah. And what is this? Oh, Connect Sand. Oh yeah, I forgot about that part. Connect Sand. Slip it out. I'm gonna try to use the scissors. See if they work. Just tape on these. Now I'm gonna get the other piece of tape off. It's hard. can do. I got the ramp. It's pretty heavy. So, I'm going to use scissors.
And Maya, and these are my breasts. From sports bras to minimizer bras, and then from the young, breast cancer. During treatment, I asked about Kisqali, a pill that can help reduce my risk of cancer return. Now, I have a new perspective on my health.
Haven't taken it out, guys.
Stage 2 and 3, HR positive, HER2 negative, early breast cancer with a high risk of recurrence. Kisqali may cause serious skin reactions, liver problems, and low white blood cell counts that may result in serious infections. Life-threatening lung problems and abnormal heartbeats can occur. Your doctor should test your heart and blood before and during treatment. Tell your doctor if you have new or worsening cough, chest pain, or disease. Before taking Kisqali, tell your doctor all your
He's the ramp.
medicines,
So, guys, you can, like, oh, how does it way over here? So, guys, you can, like, go in this room, like, ramp, like this, or like this. I don't know how to, guys. So, let's get this Connect stand open. Look at this Connect stand. So this is what it looks like. So you can like yeah, pretty hard. Okay, that's do this. It's hard. Okay, let's make this ramp. Look how this ramp turned out. It turned out pretty good. Now that's this. Yeah, that's good. So that'll be the end of our video.